In this video, I will show you how you can change your profile picture on VRBO as a host. Couple of things to note before we dive in. Try and do this from computer. VRBO phone app is terrible. You won't be able to do these changes from there. Second is VRBO does not allow having a profile picture if you are a traveler. However, as a host, you can set a profile picture and write a description about yourself. For that, once you're logged into vrbo.com, just click on your name, which will appear on the top right, and then click on Owner Dashboard. Basically, the name and the profile picture is stored within the listing itself. I have multiple listings, that's why you can see so many of them. But if you just have one listing, you will see only one. Just click on your listing, and that will open your listing dashboard. Once in there, click on Property on the left-hand side, and then click on Edit Property. And then click on Property Description, which is the first box. And over here, you will find this option, Your Story. This is where you can write about yourself, your description, what you do and how you host and all that. And to upload your profile image, you can just click on Your Photo here and just upload any photo which you want. And that photo will appear on your listing. Let me just show you a quick example. This is my listing and the profile image which I've uploaded appears here. If you want to write a brief description about you, what is in the neighborhood and what makes your property unique, you can add all that. It's fairly easy once you know where to go. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.